Hi there, it's Wade McMaster here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create some basic YouTube channel art for your YouTube channel using Canva, which is a free, also has paid features, but it's a free tool you can use online to create simple images and designs. So the reason why I want to walk you through this is because Canva is great for creating a lot of things. You can create a YouTube thumbnail. If I type up here YouTube, you can create a thumbnail, all sorts of images pretty easily. But the thing about channel art is it's actually highly cropped. And if you check out this image I created for my channel, you can see that it's actually the full height of the screen. And when you actually view this on a television, or if you've got YouTube for your television, usually you get this full image here. But if you cut back to YouTube, you can see it is actually cropped here. And then on phone, I believe it's even cropped further, tucking into the sides. So you actually get a very heavy crop on your image, and it's difficult to know where that's actually going to happen. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can set it up so you don't lose any information regardless of where this crops. So what I'm going to do, we're going to head over to Canva, and we're going to go to create new design, and you can see we've already typed in YouTube from before. I'm going to type in YouTube channel art, and we're going to get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I've actually got a template we're going to use to discover where this crop point is. So I'm actually going to head to my website. Now I've popped a link to this page in the description below, so you can either go to the full blog post with a list of social media images sizes, or I've got a link directly to the JPEG. But we're going to go down here to YouTube. And you see we've got a few templates and bits and pieces here, including a Photoshop template if you do want to use Photoshop, which I do prefer simply because you have more flexibility. But we're going to download this channel art template, this JPEG template. If I click on that and open it up, you see we get this template and it shows exactly where the content is. If I zoom out for a minute, you can see, so this area in the middle is where it crops down to, and then this square in the center is where it crops into on phone. So we want to keep all of our content in this area of the image. So I'm going to right click, save that image as you can see I've already got it saved here, and we're going to basically pop that there and use it in Canva. Okay, so we're back in Canva and we're ready to pop in our template so we can get to work. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to head over here to uploads on the left, click upload an image or video, and then click device. As you can see, we get our template there. I click open. Once it uploads, I click on the image and insert it. So now I'm actually going to resize this image from corner to corner so it fits the template perfectly. Now what I'm actually going to do, I'm not going to keep this here, but what you can do, you can go ahead and just simply type your text in over the top of this and keep it within the square and then replace the background. But what we're going to do, we're going to elements, and we're going to basically insert a square. So I'm just going to go, let's type in a square, an outline, something like that. So now we have this square with an outline on it, and we can get rid of it at a later time. But at the moment, we're going to put that there. We're going to make something like a bright yellow. And then we're going to go back to photos. We're going to delete this background, and any text we want to create needs to be within this square in order to not get cropped. So I go back into photos. I've already got a few things up by the looks of it. As you can see here, now if I go back up to the top, any of the photos that have the little crown symbol on them are actually photos you have to pay for. So for the sake of the video, we're going to go for something free. You may choose to go free or not, but find an image, maybe something like this, and we're going to pop it there into the background. I'm going to right click, send it to back, and there we have our background. So now we can start putting a bit of information in here. But before we do that, one thing I should mention also is you can go through your elements. You can go through, find bits and pieces that you want to pop in there if you want to. So if you wanted to put in little graphs and that sort of thing, you can pop those in there. I'm not personally concerned with that. You can pop your little hand symbol in there if you want to. You can go in and actually add in some elements, even some basic borders. If you want to just grab a line, you can do that as well. and actually spruce things up a little bit if you want to. But a lot of the stuff here is getting cropped, so I'm not too concerned. If it's on TV, we get this nice background image, but a lot of it's going to be cropped down to here, so that's where I'm going to be personally focusing. So yeah, just remember you can go through your elements, play around with it to get a good design if you want to, but for now we're going to focus on text. Now I can go in and add in some outer heading in and just simply customize it once it's there, but maybe I'll actually take something from here, pop it on there. So maybe I'll call this so action. Let's change that to something like techno. Let's make the color of the text white. We can add some effects in there, such as a drop shadow, and we can drop or raise the intensity. Let's get that intensity right up so it stands out against the background. So we can go through and position everything within our box. And we're going to go back to text. This time I'm just going to add it in a heading by itself. We type in techno dude. Stupid name, but you get the idea. And then I'm going to go through and pick a font from here. Maybe something like this one. Once again, this isn't exactly the design that I would use personally, but for the sake of the video, I think it does the trick. So we've got techno dude. Maybe we head back to our elements. We put a phone on there or something. Oh, that's a pro image, so we better get rid of that. Pop on our little free image. Maybe it's some kind of phone repair thing. Rotate it a bit. We can even rotate this a little if we want to. And then we can even go back into our text and just sort of add a subheading. So we say technology tips every Tuesday, something like that. And we're going to go with this font here, Barlow. Okay, so now we have basically got a design for our channel art. I'm going to make the color of this something else, maybe like that green or something like that. I'll pick a color. Once again, it's a bit hard to read, so we'll get our shadow effects. Maybe we'll choose this. So you got a fit neon, you can play with that as well. Not the most attractive design, but you get the idea. Once everything's in place and you're happy with it, you know that everything outside of here can be cropped safely. We can click on our box, we can delete it, and that is our channel art template ready to go, ready to download. So now all you got to do, go up top here, maybe pick JPEG, click download, it'll process and you'll download your JPEG, and then you can upload it onto your YouTube channel and go from there. And that's pretty much how it works. So thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions or any thoughts, please leave a comment below. Otherwise, I highly recommend going in, having a play with Canva, seeing what you can achieve. Do prefer Photoshop myself personally. I do think it's a better program for designing in, but if you're looking for something free and easy, this could be perfect for you. So yeah, if you want more like this, please consider giving the video a like and subscribing. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll talk to you soon. See you later.